I'm at Kawasaki UAE, and this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the store and what all bikes they have. So this is the showroom and it's on the Sheikh Zayed Road. Look at this beautiful area. So this video will be around 5-10 minutes, and the purpose of this video is to give you a kind of sense of what all they have in the showroom and to make you more familiar with the Kawasaki UAE. Let's start. Okay, I'm in the showroom now and you can see all the bikes here out there. We'll go through each bike one by one, but this is how the showroom looks from inside. All these beautiful helmets and this bike and the other accessories that you can buy here. So okay, let's start. I'll start with these bikes. These are, guess what these bikes are? It's electric bike, and this used in motocross for I think under 5-year-olds. I'll share you some clips out of that.
They tune it down. They tune it down for this.
And the one and only lady in the pack, because we need more women doing motorsport, and she's leading the charge for us, Ava Smith. I think the other brothers are actually riding later on as well. And then there's Benjamin Ruiz. Cheer them on, running away to the end. Come on, Etienne Arena. Right, I'm going to pop down. You keep on talking about Jeff having to get their awards.
Yes. So me and Matt was.
Last week I was in the Abu Dhabi Etihad Arena. There was a motocross event, and these small bikes were used. Here comes the real deal. S2. Look at this beauty. It's S2 carbon. Look at this. If you know S2, then you are really into bikes. S2 is basically 998cc and a lot of horsepower. I mean a lot of. I really want to buy this S2, but not sure when. I really want to experience kind of this. So let's see, probably next bike. I don't know. The bike which I really want to buy is Ninja S2 SX. I'll quickly show you why. Because I took that demo bike for 3 days, and that bike is next level in terms of comfort and in terms of everything. Now power, yeah, like literally everything packed, fully packed with the electronics and a lot. Yeah, I'll quickly show you. This is super comfortable, like literally super comfortable bike. The sitting position is not so aggressive as my ZX 10. Heated grips, all lot of riding modes, keyless and supercharger with that's. Then all these bikes, new RS 900 and new 1100 as well. Then a lot of other bikes, all these new white color 1100 SX, which is new, ZX10 green color, the one which I have, and the skis, jet skis as well. So Kawasaki is not just about bikes, it's about jet skis as well, and then the adventure bikes. Look at this, I'll show you this way. So a lot of bikes are there, like for every category they literally have a bike. Then here comes this new Z900, which looks dope, like the color and everything. Look at this color. Look at this. I think I already uploaded the launch video, and here you can see. So it doesn't matter whether you are beginner, advanced, or you are into category, whatever. They have the bike for every category. This, I personally like this bike, this Z1000. Look at this beauty. And then a couple of helmets and gloves that you can get along with the bikes, because people really buy bikes but not the gears, which are really important. You should buy gears before you get your bike. That's what I did. And then another limited edition bike is this. Guess this bike is not ZX 10R, it's ZX 10 RR. So what is the difference between ZX 10R and ZX 10 RR? So basically this bike is the same engine and everything, but it's more tuned, less weight, and a lot of additional accessories and engine tuning, pistons and everything is made for the racing, because this bike goes for WSBK racing, and ZX 10R is kind of detuned version of the ZX 10 RR. So yeah, looks super good, the color and everything. This again 6R Ninja 500, and I'll show you one thing. Yeah, this particular thing. So it's Ultra 310 LX. This 310 is basically the horsepower it has. It comes with the, I'll show you exactly what it comes with. I know, but look at this, supercharged. It comes with a supercharger. It's a lot of horsepower. It's crazy powerful machine, crazy. Then for off-roading, they have a lot of options here. All these for, you can take it to desert, motocross circuit, or wherever you cannot ride your sports bike, because these are not legal on the road, so you cannot take it on the road, but you can take to the desert and off-roading circuit. Then these are sports category, then touring category, so all this touring. Then there's a commute, then there are two more bikes here, and a lot of suits for racing if you're into racing, and then again a lot of things here. I really want to buy this helmet. This looks super cool, this golden helmet. This golden helmet, it looks cool. So that was a walkthrough of Kawasaki UAE showroom. So it's based in Dubai, obviously, and yeah, I'll give you another view from this side. So many bikes. There was a dream long back that I want to be in bikes and everything. Now look at me, every day in between bikes, just all bikes all around. So I think that's pretty much for this video, and you know what to do next. If you like this video, you can subscribe, like, and whatever.